Well, Mark Zuckerberg's new app, Threads, has surged past 30 million users as it takes on Elon Musk's Twitter in a battle of social media giants. Now, Threads, which requires an Instagram account, allows users to share up to 500 characters of text and videos of up to 5 minutes in length with no limit on how many posts can be seen. When you take a look at these numbers, Diane, at least over the last 36 hours ago, a very strong showing in terms of the interest that we are seeing in Threads. But I think the question that everyone is asking, a lot of analysts are asking about what this exactly means to Meta's bottom line, if this really is going to move the needle, and if some of the traction that we have seen over the last 36 hours or so, if that's going to last.
Up. Exactly. I mean, it remains to be seen if this will be a blip or not. I mean, Zuckerberg is clearly going all in on a new social media channel, and you see Elon Musk certainly seeing it as a threat with the, response of threatening a lawsuit because, it's very similar to Twitter in terms of how it looks. I think it looks a little bit different personally, and I'm one of the 30 million who signed up for it. I do like it. It's got a clean look. So I like that aspect of it. There's something about the font that to me is a little bit different than Twitter. You can't DM yet, so everything's public. If you want to reach out to somebody, you're blasting it out to everybody right now. So it does remain to be seen how they'll monetize it, especially we know that Meta was already facing the challenge of how they do Reels with regard to ads within Reels. So we talked to an analyst yesterday who said, obviously, this seems like it would be an easier place to position advertising, every so often you see an ad, I don't know, every 7 posts, something like that. So there's certainly the place for that there. So it's probably an easier platform to monetize compared to, say, Instagram Reels.
Yeah, and I think that's the question here going forward, especially for analysts, just in terms of the fact that this could be a very attractive platform to advertisers, given the amount of data that Meta already has access to. They know so much about consumers' buying behavior, what they like, what they don't like, because of their other platforms, because of their other apps. So that, of course, will give them some advantage, or significant advantage, you could say, over some of the competitors out there. I think also we have seen some glitches. So this launch hasn't gone off without a hitch. There was some reports and some people that were tweeting, actually, that they were having some problem posting on Threads over the last 24 hours. But also, there's actually a problem if you delete Threads, it could delete your Instagram account too. So Meta is saying they're trying to look into that, right?
Yes, because you can't just delete Threads. I mean, delete your account, right? You're deleting, I guess, the whole thing. So, I'm sure they'll figure that piece out. Did you sign up yet or no?
So I did. I haven't posted anything on it, but I needed to check it out.
Is it a thread or a post? Are we threading?
I was going to say, I guess you're technically, you're posting, you're threading, you're just not tweeting.
Yes,
there,
you're
that's
not.
Safe to say.
No, exactly. All right. We'll put a pin in that, a thread in that. I don't know what we're doing.